Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.
Waalaikumsalam.
Iya.
Good morning, Miss. Okay, Miss. Sorry.
Okay. Before we start our class, let's go pray for today's lesson. Pray begin. Okay, finish. First of all, today we are going to talking about report text. Have you heard before or do you understand about report text? You can tell me.
Uh, In my opinion, report text is like explained about something like animal or ya kayak planet ya yang lebih terperinci lah mungkin gitu.
Yeah, we can call it for a social function, not only animal or even nature, but it can be everything. Especially for the articles, research, anything else. But for the easy one, you can take the report text about animal or nature or something like that. Okay, do you know what is the tenses used for a report text?
I don't know.
You don't know, okay. We will talk about it later. I will explain you in detail about it. So, okay, I will share my PPT. Wait a second.
Okay.
Okay, I will show you my PPT
Okay.
about report tax. Um, so this is the definition of report tax and the main purpose. Can you please read for me?
Okay. Report text is a text that presents detailed information about something in general based on research. The main purpose of report text is to inform the certain function of an object in a social function.
Here. So report text is a text that presents detailed information about something in general based on research. Um, Same as the explanation that I mentioned before, that report text presents detailed information. For example, if you take a topic about elephant, elephant is a animal, right? And you can tell in your report task. For example, eh, gajah itu punya belalai panjang, terus dia punya berkaki empat, lalu badannya besar. Terus you can also be in detailed, like cari sejarahnya tentang gajah itu di tahun berapa atau jenis gajah apa yang sekarang udah punah. You can find it everything and you can write everything in your report text. And also the main purpose of report text is to inform the certain function of an object. That's why report text itu lebih detail karena dia emang tujuannya tuh buat inform uh, several information. Jadi not in general, karena kan kayak kalau misalnya kita tahu misal oh gajah itu hewan. Kan kita cuma taunya gitu doang kan. Nah, sedangkan kalau yang di report di sini kita harus lebih detail lagi. Okay, we move to the structure of report text. There are two classification. The first one is general classification and the second one is description. Yang dimaksud general classification ini adalah structure dari report text which is contains the general grouping of the object being discussed. Jadi di report text itu juga ada structure-nya. Yang pertama itu general classification. Jadi di pembahasan pertama, atau kita bisa bilang itu di paragraf pertama, itu kita ngebahas tentang yang general, yang basicnya aja, tentang topik yang kita ambil. Yang tadi contohnya gajah itu punya belalai panjang. Pokoknya yang general yang banyak orang tahu gitu. Nah, the second one is description. Kalau description ini kan lebih ke nih ya, which contains a description of object being discussed in more detail. Yang dimana maksudnya adalah yang tadi gajah itu bisa diinput dari sejarahnya, kayak jenis apa yang punah, tahun berapa, terus gajah itu berasalnya dari apa, kan banyak ya, kita bisa cari tuh. Okay, the next one is language feature in report text. The first one is general nouns. Jadi kita emang di report text itu akan menggunakan noun yang general, yang basic, yang gampang di mengerti oleh pembaca. And the second one is relating verbs or linking verbs. Jadi setiap kata kerja itu harus berkesinambungan. Jadi setiap sentence to sentence itu harus eh, jelas dan clear gitu. And the third one is timeless present tense. Jadi kalau misalnya tadi di awal nanya kita, Miss, kita pakai tenses apa ya? What tenses that we used in report text? Itu jawabannya adalah present tense. Jadi kita pakai present tense, simple present tense, yang dimana kita kan menceritakan nih tentang sesuatu yang detail itu menurut kita dan menurut yang udah kita baca. Jadi kita kayak report atau nulis ulang yang udah kita pahami gitu dari apa yang kita baca dan kita dapetin. Itu menggunakan present tense. Terus yang keempat ada technical terms and the last one introducing group or general aspect. Jadi tetap ya di dalam konsep aspek yang umum sebenarnya kalau di report. Oke, eh, sampai situ ada pertanyaan. You have any question?
Maybe I have one question about
Oke.
uh, what the meaning of social function in report text.
Social function in report text means that uh, it presents general knowledge about people, things, and also animal, social phenomena, scientifically and objectively. Jadi di fungsi sosial ini kita emang ngebahas report text yang apa ya, menyangkut dengan fungsi sosial ini, kita ngebahas tentang apapun di lingkungan kita gitu, bisa apa aja and everything.
Okay, I get what you mean.
There any question?
Maybe not. I don't have
Okay.
any more.
I will show a video of the example in report text. Please watch it carefully and give me some explanation of your comprehension. We watch together, okay?
Okay.
Walaupun patah-patah sedikit.
Our head.
Let's look at the first slide. See the beautiful flowers with the big yellow heads? They are commonly known as sunflowers. The botanical name for the sunflower is Helianthus. The Greek word helios means sun, and anthos means flower. It is one of the flowers from the famous Asteraceae species. Sunflowers originated in the Americas, and they were grown to use the seeds for food. Sunflowers have a large flower head that can be up to 30 centimeters wide. The petals are bright yellow, although some varieties are orange or red. The stem is rough and hairy, while the leaves are large and rough. Sunflowers can grow up to 3 meters tall. They need full sunlight to grow well. They grow best in fertile, wet, well-drained soil with a lot of mulch. Sunflowers are generally hardy plants. It's important that they are not overwatered.
We have watched the video, right? So, what is the video telling you about?
Uh, the video I get from the video is about the historical about sunflowers, and sunflowers can grow up until 3 meters maybe. Mungkin itu aja yang bisa saya dapat.
Okay, so basically the video is presents about sunflowers, right? The video also tells about the detail of sunflower. For example, like bahasa in Greek language of sunflower, ya kan? Terus juga dia bisa berkembang bunganya sampai 30 cm. Terus the petals itu apa ya bahasanya? The petals itu bisa warna yellow, orange, even red. And also dia itu tipe tanaman yang nggak bisa terlalu banyak disiram air. Jadi itu fertile-nya harus just fairly wet. Yang nggak bisa terlalu basah dan juga nggak bisa terlalu kering. Kemudian dia juga hidup di benua Amerika. Karena cuaca dan the environment in America suits the sunflower. Batang dari tumbuhan sunflower itu disebutkan di video itu hairy and firm, keras, kaku gitu dan berambut. Itu kan yang dimaksud dari report text, yaitu explaining an object in details. Jadi sedetail mungkin yang bisa kamu sebutkan di report text kamu. Ya begitu. Contohnya kalau dari bunga itu bunga apa, terus dari sisi sejarahnya apa, terus dia bakal tumbuh berapa tinggi, atau dia bakal tumbuh berapa besar, terus cara merawatnya gimana, kemudian em, dia tumbuh di mana, hanya bisa tumbuh di mana, bertahan di suhu berapa gitu kan juga dijelasin kan. That that is mean of report text. Okay, do you have any other question?
Nah,
Oke, berarti udah ngerti ya report text itu apa, apa yang harus dibikin, apa yang harus dilakuin di dalam report text. Sekarang kita move to worksheets. Saya kasih satu tugas untuk bikin report text. Topiknya bebas, kamu pilih sendiri tentang apa. Yang jelas harus dibikin em, dengan maksimal 100 kata. 100 kata, terus dibikin in the form of poster. Jadi saya menyarankan kamu untuk memakai Canva, bikin dalam bentuk poster sekreatif mungkin yang kamu bisa. Dan diperhatikan di beberapa detailsnya, kayak tensesnya pakai present tense. Habis itu genre structure-nya apa. Terus juga tadi yang kita bahas itu kayak bener generic structure, eh general classification sama description. Oke, eh you can find one topic of your worksheet. I give you 3 minutes. Is it enough?
maybe enough for me.
You can tell me later on.
Okay.
Okay. So have you done thinking about deciding about your topic for your worksheet?
Maybe I can. Not that. I want to explain about car because I don't know. I left the car.
What kind of car?
Like kayak Ford, Mustang, tapi lebih ke
Something like a
Ford.
sport car.
Sport car.
Okay. You can use it, but just remember to make it in detail, okay?
Okay.
Uh, so I will remind you that you have to make it maximum 100 words. Okay? And focus on the present tense and also the verbs, linking verbs that I have told you in my PPT, my screen. Okay. And the last one is making it in the form of poster that I recommend you to use Canva application to make it a poster because it has so many uh, elements that top notch in my opinion. Just make it creative and interest to read. Uh, we can end this class session about report tags. Thank you for coming, and we can say Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim to end
Alhamdulillah.
this class. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.